Okay, lovely.
Yes. All right, I can do that.
I honestly don't know where she found it. I was being called to playing with the birds. And, she was actually doing trip planning.
Because the surveyor's notebooks are still in one of the archives, saying, you know, these are the dates when we start to drive this bit in the mine. And you can see it's this dry stone arching. This hard rock here, believe it or not, this should be a sort of whitish grey limestone rock I've got my hands on. You can see it's sort of yellowish orange and all sorts of other colours. That's because we're actually just passing through a fault line here. So we've got a piece of lead, and that's what we're after, something like. I mean, the guy did some economic history research a few years back, and he worked it out that in the 19th century, if you had 2 inches here, we've got some yellowy minerals. That was at one time iron parites, fool's gold, which is iron sulfide, and because of the effect of the moisture in the air, it's starting to change it into another mineral, secondary mineral. There's a mineral called melanterite, which is basically an iron sulfide just taking up a lot of oxygen and so on. And interestingly enough, you actually get, that's it, you can get graffiti in the old mines where the miners have left their initials. So in a typical 8-hour shift, we're going to try and drill about 8 holes. The depth of that chisel, without losing his hand, yeah. Because keep turning it a bit. Yeah.
Turn it, yes,
Yeah.
yes. Oh, yes.
I think he's losing his nerve.
Yeah.
Confidence.
It's the sweat dripping off his forehead now, yeah.
I'm demonstration purposes only.
Yeah.
This.
It's
So
not easy.
Not easy, is it? I imagine I've also got a hammer, so in between your hit, I do another.
Yeah.
I wouldn't
Right.
want to be the one holding it.
No, you wouldn't, would you? And that's because they're after this black zinc mineral, which is zinc sulfide, and they were very ahead of the Brits, if you like. So they brought in more capital, more machinery. I think blend is a German word originally. It comes from Germany. That they actually call the bomb disposal. But it's actually, until it starts getting liquidy, it's all right.
Presumably we get quite close to the surface of that.
All right, you clear that.
I'm asking questions.
You seen any bats? This is where we sometimes get bats in the winter. Yeah. We haven't had any the last couple of winters, you know, but there hasn't been the food apparently up in the hills.
Do your
But
rats
yeah.
have the white nose disease?
No, they haven't got that in the UK yet. Just wait till the leaves come up. So fluorspar is the mineral that kept North Pennines mining going until, what, 1999? The last commercial mine closed, which was about 10, 15 miles over the hill towards Ruckett, a place called Grove Rake. There is one mine that still operates, which works 3 months of the year at a place called Rogerley, which is near Frostley. And it's owned by a group of American people who come over each summer and they just mine fluorspar purely for the mineral collecting trade. These things can look very pretty, of course, and the miners quite early on found a market to just collect pieces, but